Okay, picture this. In 3 hours, you're having dinner with a friend to celebrate her job promotion, but you're just now realizing that you forgot to get her a gift. Now what? Hey, no worries. I'll show you how to be a last-minute hero with a few basic beading supplies. Now let's make a pair of beautiful earrings in under 15 minutes. Here's what you'll need. Flush cutters, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, 6 feature beads, these are 8mm, 12 accent or spacer beads, 6 2.5-inch head pins and a ruler, 2 ear wires, and 2 jump rings, which I forgot to picture. So in this video, we'll be making 1 earring. Now you're going to choose 3 head pins and straighten them out if they need straightening. Get all your components laid out and at the ready. And remember, we're just making 1 earring in this video, so I'll show you the pair at the end, but I'm just getting supplies out enough to make 1 earring right now. So you're going to cut 1 head pin to 1.5 inches. Now you're going to cut another head pin to 2 inches. And the third pin, we're going to leave it as is at 2.5 inches. So place a spacer bead, and then a focal bead, and then another spacer bead onto one of the head pins. Then using your chain nose pliers, make a bend in the head pin about 1/3 of an inch away of the way down from the tip. Then with your round nose pliers, make a closed loop. And then repeat those steps until you have 3 dangles to hang from the jump ring, which will then be attached to the ear wire. Another great thing about this project is it's really flexible. You can use whatever beads you have, whatever head pins you have, no matter what size, what length. Now open your jump ring with your 2 pairs of chain nose pliers, or whatever pliers you have available. And then place all 3 of the dangling bars onto the jump ring in whatever configuration you wish. Add the ear wire, close the jump ring, And you're done with that. How long did that take? Less than 5 minutes? Now make the second earring. Who wouldn't want a pair of earrings made by you, just for them? Look at you. You just made earrings in less time than it will take you to decide what to wear to dinner. Dinner plans saved, friend impressed, and you're a creative legend. There's no stopping you now. Now make several pairs for your emergency gift stash. Tell me in the comments, when was the last time you needed a last-minute gift? What did you do? Stay tuned for more tips. These earrings are available for purchase, by the way.